Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be a cloudy eye look today, so stay tuned. What I'm doing right now is taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in white, and I'm using that as kind of a base for my eyelids, but I couldn't find what I normally use, so I just used this, and it it's actually a little bit shimmery, so it didn't work out quite the same, but it still got the job done, so whatever. And then I'm just trying to blend it out and really take some of the product off because it was still a bit wet, and you need it to be a little dry in order to put the shadows on correctly. So here I'm going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I think I deleted the clip, but I'll try to insert it back in here. But it's just, a purple shade, and I'm just trying to blend that. Well, not really blend, I'm just trying to put that in the crease. I'm not really worried too much about blending things, especially not right now, because when I put the clouds on, it's gonna really cover it up. So I'm just really here for the color. And now I'm going in with that pink shade, and I'm just putting that over top to sort of blend it, but kind of really just to have other colors so that it's a little dimensional underneath the clouds. So now I'm taking those pink shades to kind of blend out the pink, because at this point I wasn't sure that I would put a cloud that close to the top, and I think I thought it would need to look decent, so that's what I'm doing here, and just making sure that it looks all right. Blend, 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 blend it, blend it, blend it, blending, 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 blending. All right, so now I'm just gonna cut the crease. You can cut it however you like. You can cut it in a heart, you can cut it in a star, a cloud. Oh, well, not a cloud, because I'm about to show you how to do that. But anyway, just cut your crease. If you're not sure how to do it, you can put a little concealer or whatever you use on like your eyelid, and then look up, and that will basically tell you where your crease, where you should cut the crease. Listen, so the other night when I was editing this, I must have cut out this clip as well. This is the blue shade over top of the purple shade. If you do have to Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm gonna have to go back through and add the clips in. But while I was editing, I had a thought that I could just insert a picture of the palette and then just mark which colors I was using, but I haven't quite figured out how to do that, so that's why those things are missing. Anywho, you just want to take the blue and put it on the outer corners of your eye. I put it in the middle because the look that I was trying to go for had it right there, but you don't have to do that. And now I'm going in with the purple, just right inside of that blue, and I'm trying to make a V shape, really, so you'll see it and it'll end up looking like a tornado, kinda. And this is the same purple shade that I used in the crease. It looks a little different now because it's not sitting directly over top of that concealer, which was kind of shimmery. So yeah, I'm just putting the purple on now. This is the last step before we do our clouds. So you just want to take that pink and pat it in the middle in any section on your lid that is still white or not covered by shadow. So So this is where it gets real. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe right now. I'm taking my concealer, whatever concealer you choose that's a lighter color, and you just want to take a small round brush like I have here, and take your time and just really think of like a 3-leaf clover. So like one little stroke on the top, and then like turn your brush sideways for the second and third little cloud round. I don't know, you can see what I'm doing, and you'll see it better in the next clip too. Mine kind of looked like ghosts. It's one specific one that I looked at. I think it's the one that I'm gonna do after this one, but yeah, this is my very first time trying to do this, and I think it came out pretty good. But I also see areas where I could where I could improve, definitely. And so I think this one is gonna turn out to be the ghost. But really, the key is just to have that concealer on a really small brush. Here you see me just taking the shadows that I used on my actual lid before the clouds, and adding a little bit of that into the bottom of the clouds, just to kind of make it look like the clouds are coming out of the eyeshadow, if that makes sense. I don't know. The person that I saw do this, she did that. So, well, she didn't do this look, but she did something similar. And so I just thought, hey, why don't I do that? But I actually think that it looked fine with just the clouds by themselves, honestly. And now I'm just gonna take that blue, that's the blue I used earlier, and I'm putting that underneath my my lower lash line. Is that how you say it? my bottom lash line. Yeah. So I'm just going to put the blue under there first, and then I'm going to blend it out with that pink that I used earlier. And this is my final look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my latest and last videos. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.